Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send emails to specific subscribers using segments in Mailchimp. This is an incredibly powerful feature that allows you to target particular groups within your audience based on their behavior, location, or other criteria, ensuring your messages reach exactly the right people. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in to your Mailchimp account using your username and password. Make sure you have these credentials ready so you can access your dashboard without any delays. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll find various navigation options. Click on Audience to expand this section. From the expanded menu that appears, click on Segments. This is where all the magic happens for organizing and targeting your subscribers effectively. Now, to create a new segment, click the Create Segment button. This initiates the process of defining exactly which subscribers you want to include in this particular group. Segments are essentially filters that help you narrow down your full audience list to specific subsets. Next, you'll need to select the criteria for your segment, click on Add Filter, and you'll see several categories to choose from, including subscriber information, campaign activity, or e-commerce activity. These categories give you tremendous flexibility in how you segment your audience. Once you've chosen a category, define the filter specifics. For instance, you might set email marketing status to subscribed, or you could specify location as a particular city. These filters ensure you're targeting subscribers who meet your exact requirements. After setting your filters, choose the segment logic. You can select "and," which means all conditions must be met for a subscriber to be included, or which includes subscribers who meet any of the conditions. This logic determines how strict or broad your segment will be. Before saving, click Preview Segment to see exactly how many subscribers match your criteria. This preview is helpful because it shows you whether your filters are too narrow or too broad, allowing you to make adjustments if needed. When you're satisfied with your segment, click Save Segment and give it a descriptive name that you'll recognize later. Choose something clear and specific so you can easily identify the segment when you need it in the future. Now, to send an email to this segment, head back to your Segments page and locate the segment you just created. Click the checkbox next to the segment you want to email. Then look at the right side of your Segments page where you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Send Email. You'll be directed to the email customization page where the to field is already pre-filled with your segment. All you have to do now is design your email, add a compelling subject line, and fill in the From field with your sender information. Once everything looks perfect, you're ready to send your targeted email. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.